Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పటి వరకు నా ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోపోయి ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. అండ్ అలానే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ యాక్టివేట్ చేసి ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. దాంతో నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చేసే ఒక్క లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను చెప్పబోతున్న క్లాస్ డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ పార్ట్ 40. First bit, to avoid deadlock, option A, there must be a fixed number of resources to allocate. Option B, resource allocation must be done only once. Option C, all deadlocked processes must be aborted. Option D, inversion technique can be used. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, there must be a fixed number of resources to allocate. Second bit, the request and release of resources are option A, command line statements. Option B, interrupts. Option C, system calls. Option D, special programs. Answer just option C, system calls. Third bit, what are multi-threaded programs? Option A, lesser prone to deadlocks. Option B, more prone to deadlocks. Option C, not at all prone to deadlocks. Option D, none of the mentioned. Option B, more prone to deadlocks. Fourth bit, a system is in a safe side once if there exists a dash. Option A, safe allocation. Option B, safe resource. Option C, safe sequencing. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer just say option C, safe sequencing. Option 5, sorry, bit 5. All unsafe states are dash. Option A, deadlocks. Option B, not deadlocks. Option C, fatal. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer just say option B, not deadlocks. Sixth bit, the banker's algorithm is dash, then the resource allocation graph algorithm. Option A, less efficiency. Option B, more efficiency. Option C, equal. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer just say option A, less efficiency. Seventh bit, the data structures available in the banker's algorithm are dash. Option A, available. Option B, need. Option C, allocation. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer just say option D, all of the mentioned. Eighth bit, the content of the matrix need is dash. Option A, allocation available. Option B, max available. Option C, max allocation. Option D, allocation max. Answer just say option C, max allocation. Ninth bit, if the wait for graph contains a cycle. Option A, then a deadlock does not exist. Option B, then a deadlock exists. Option C, then the system is in a safe state. Option D, either deadlock exists or system is in a safe state. Answer just option B, then a deadlock exists. 10th bit, if the resources are always preempted from the same process, dash can occur. Option A, deadlock. Option B, system crash. Option C, aging. Option D, starvation. Answer just say option D, starvation. 11th bit, a memory buffer used to accommodate a speed differential is called dash. Option A, stack pointer. Option B, cache. Option C, accumulator. Option D, disk buffer. Answer just say option B, cache. 12th bit, which one of the following is the address generated by CPU? Option A, physical addresses. Option B, absolute addresses. Option C, logical addresses. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer just say option C, logical addresses. 13th bit, runtime mapping from virtual to physical address is done by dash. Option A, memory management unit. Option B CPU, option C PCI, option D none of the mentioned. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి మెమరీ మేనేజ్మెంట్ యూనిట్ 14th bit. The addresses of a page table in memory is pointed by dash. Option A stack pointer, option B page table base register, option C page register, option D program counter. Answer వచ్చేసి option B page table base register. 15th bit. Program always deals with option A logical addresses, option B absolute addresses, option C physical addresses, option D relative addresses. Answer వచ్చేసి option A logical addresses. Thanks for watching.